Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing N8n and Flowise in 2025 to see which one is better for your projects. So first of all, let's start with N8n. First of all, it is a powerful open source automation tools. You can connect hundreds of applications with it, build the workflows with a simple drag and drop editor, even add custom codes with JavaScript or Python. It is flexible and it works with the cloud or the self-hosted and is great when you need to automate across many different platforms. Now let's talk about Flowise. So Flowise is focused on AI workflows. It lets you easily create the chatbots, assistants, and multi-agent system using a visual builder. You can chain prompts, add memory, and design the complex AI flows without coding. It is all about fast prototyping and building smart tools that are powered by large languages. So the question here is which one is better? Now, if you want the general automation with lots of integrations, N8n is the stronger choice. If your main goal is building AI-powered applications, chatbots, Flowise is the clear winner here. And honestly, many creators use both together. Flowise for the AI logic and N8n for managing the triggers and external actions. So N8n is the automation king and Flowise is the AI builder. The right choice depends on what you are building. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in the next one.